welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be teaching you about the 3D plot in Gnuplot software. This is the fourth part of the Gnuplot series. Okay, and what I'm going to show you in this video is I have some images here. This is called Torus. Okay, I will show you how to create such plots in Gnuplot and this type of plot, okay, in Gnuplot. So let's begin. For this I need to go to the folder, and here I will create a file. Okay, first of all let me show you the basic things about the 3D plot in Gnuplot. Okay, so if you are watching our previous videos, then you may have seen that we use simply plot function. Okay, plot function to create 2D plot. Okay, like this. Okay, plot function, plot command. Okay, and it creates 2D plots like this. Okay, x and y. So to create 3D plot, what we need to do is we replace the plot by s plot. Okay, if you see here the plot option, then there are many options. Okay, and first one is plot, which gives you 2D plot, and the second option is 3D plot. Okay, and if you click on here, it gives you like this. If you click on this 3D plot, it says yes plot. Okay, yes plot means surface plot. Okay, if you plot the same function in as plot, then how it looks like is, see, it gives you like plot like this. Okay, this is 3D plot, and you can rotate and you can view this image from anywhere. Okay, any side. Okay, so this is the basic things of the 3D plot. Similarly, you can also plot many functions such as sin x and cos x, tan x. Okay, and just click on OK. It gives you like this. Okay, also if you change the line width as 3 and line color, okay, let's line color be 7. Okay, let it be 10, and line width, line color, and line style be 8. Okay, then it gives you the plot like this. Okay, you can see from here the green one is 10x. Okay, and on the violet one is sin x. You can see this line is sin x, and another one blue line is cos x. So in this way you can plot 3D plot in 3D graph in Gnuplot. So now let's move to some advanced level. Okay, so I will show you to plot the function to get the graph like this. Okay, this and this. Actually, to plot such function we need to use an option in Gnuplot called Parametric. Okay, which is called Parametric. Let me go to the folder and okay, let me first of all open Notepad. You can write the code in your Notepad. Okay, and here I want to write the code. Here I want to write the code. First of all, you need to you can plot the sin x, the function I have shown you before. Let me do this once again as plot. Okay, and just save it, save as this. And on desktop, Gnuplot tutorial, let me save it here. Okay, name the file, you can name the file, let it be 3D. Okay, 3D plot. Okay, save it and just save it and go to the, now you need to go to Gnuplot and change the directory. Okay, as I have shown you in previous videos, go to desktop and there is Gnuplot folder, tutorial folder, and okay, there is no file. Okay, and if you select this and click OK, and of course there is a file called GNU 3D plot. Okay, and to load that code, what you need to type is just type 3D plot dot, and I made mistake there. Okay, I need to change the extension here, let it be .p. okay, okay, it is not working, it is still text file. Let me save it. Okay, again save in the same folder, save it as, let us name it something different. Okay, as plot.p. You can also save it with GNU extension. Okay, which means GNU plot. Okay, I have shown you before with .p extension in this video. Let's try GNU plot, GNU extension. Okay, and save it. Now it is saved, this splot.gnu. okay, I need to load this folder, this file on Gnuplot. I am on obviously Gnuplot tutorial. Now just change the file name as plot.gnuplot.gnu. okay, and then press enter. Okay, it says it cannot open script file. Let me it is again, let me open the notepad again, notepad. Okay, let me open, first of all let me open the notepad. Okay, search on bar notepad and open it and just type it as plot sin x. okay, and just save it, save as this in desktop and Gnuplot tutorial folder, and name it as plot.gnu. okay, with GNU extension, and select all files here. Okay, then save it. Okay, now you can see this file here. Okay, now it is GNU plot, GNU type file type. Okay, and if you open it with okay, now we need to load it on this Gnuplot software. So to load that, just type load and splot.gnu. okay, after typing this much, just enter, press enter, and it gives you the plot like this. Okay, it is a sinusoidal curve, and you can see the label, and this is the legend sin x. okay, so this is how you can create 3D plot by writing the code in a file with .gnuplot extension. And again, now let me try something new. Okay, now I want to create the this. Okay, I want to show you how to create such type of image. Okay, for this we need to set parametric. Okay, parametric option is there, and here we use splot. Okay, for 3D plot, sin u. Okay, sin u multiplied by cos b, okay, comma sin u multiplied by sin b, I made a mistake here, comma sin u multiplied by, what is happening, it sin b, comma cos u, okay. And let me set the title as the title is parametric function, parametric plot, okay. You must have a question, raised question, why I am using here u and b, okay, u and b, u as, okay, and variable. So in parametric function, parametric plot, what it shows is, if you type here as set parameter, okay, on Gnuplot, if you type the set parametric and just press enter, then it says dummy variable is t for curves, okay. If you in parametric option, if you try for curves, 2D curves, then t is the dummy variable. You have to use t in place of x, and for surface plots you need to use u and b, okay, as dummy variables. And this is for, these variables are for 3D plots, okay. That's why I am using here u and b as the variables, which are dummy variables in parametric plots, okay. And let's run this code here. So for this you need to reset the Gnuplot and then load the same code, okay, as plot.cnn, okay, and just press enter, okay, I made a mistake there, this must be D, okay, not F, press enter, see, so that plot gives the plot, that code gives the plot like this, okay. See, parametric function, and you can rotate it from any to view from any side, okay. And now this is just these are just lines, okay, and it is surface plot. You can change the color, you can add color, and just like this, okay, there are many colors, and it gives the palette like this, okay. Let's add this also and make this plot beautiful as this, okay. So let me add some quotes, okay. Now let me set the title first. So this title means the legend, okay, and this title means title of the plot, parametric plot, okay. And if you save it and run it again, what it gives you is, now refresh, this is the title and this is the legend, okay. Now you can remove this and these lines, okay. Let me remove first this axis, okay, so that it will look like this, okay. There is no axis here, so let me remove those first. You can set here on set border, okay. If you type on set border and run it again, then no border, okay. Now there are ticks, x ticks, y ticks, and z ticks, okay. There are 3 types of axes. You can also remove these, okay. So let me remove these also. On set, for this we use on set command, on set x ticks, okay, and just copy it, okay. Here is x, okay. Let's copy it and paste it and replace z, right, okay. Now let me run it, it works or not. I have saved it. Okay, run it. Now there are no axes now. Okay, it looks like this, looks like earth, isn't it? Now we need to add the palettes. Okay, so for this what we need to do is we need to add command code, that is set pm3d. okay, this, if you run it again, it gives nothing changes here. Okay, okay, it changes like this. Okay, now if you want to change the color like this, then what you need to add here is just set okay palette RGB. okay, color, this is color formula as 0 to 5, okay, 20 and 5. okay, you can change like this. Now run the code again. Okay, now it looks like this. Okay, see, isn't it same as this one? This is in image format. Okay, this is in .png format, but this plot is still in Gnuplot. Okay, you need to have Gnuplot to view this plot. Now we have to save this plot as png image. Okay, for that what you need to do is, I have already told you how to save the image in Gnuplot. Okay, for this you need to just save the terminal as png. okay, Cairo, or you can just use png. okay, let me use Cairo as well, it gives the better image, and size be like 1200 and 720. Set the output name will be let it be earth. okay, this plot is just earth like .png. okay, and let me replot it again and run the code. After saving the file, run code again. Okay, first of all let me show you there are no image file. okay, png file. Now if you run this code here, then okay, the plot is ready and there is a png file as well. okay, you click on here, okay, there are many color. Which one is earth like .png. okay, this is the image file. You can open this file in any device, you don't need to use Gnuplot software. okay, so this is how you can create the 3D plot like this. okay, and if you have saved the plot in Gnuplot, then you cannot rotate the file. okay, rotate it. okay, it does not rotate. For this you need to add the animation. Now let me show you to create such type of image. okay, or plots in Gnuplot. Let me save it first and let me close it. Let me close Gnuplot again and let me open Notepad again. okay, so here we will write the code. So, and for the Torus plot, what you need to do is just let me set the title first as it is Torus. okay, and set parametric as okay, parametric metric and set u range from minus pi to plus pi, set b range again from minus pi to plus pi. Okay, and set the ISO sample and let it be 50 and 20. Okay, now use as plot command for 3D plot, and the command will be cos u plus 0.5 into cos u into cos b, comma, okay, sin u plus 0.5 into sin u, okay, sin u into multiplied by cos b, comma, finally 0.5. okay, this is 0.5 actually, sin b. Okay, you don't need to change anything after that, and set the title as Torus part. Okay, after this let me run the code first. Okay, let me save it first. Okay, it will be Torus dot Gnuplot. You can also use a p actually. Okay, you can use two type of extension here. Now it is saved. Open the Gnuplot software, change the directory. Okay, desktop Gnuplot tutorial, and then load. File name is torus.p. okay, and just press enter. See, it just look like 2D plot now. Just you can rotate it like in 3D plot. Okay, you can change other options, add other options. I think here I made a mistake. Okay, there is no sign in multiplication sign here. Okay, that's why the image is different. That mistake is here. Okay, if you add multiplication sign here, then and save it and run the code again and see the result actually. Okay, see, this is Torus. Okay, and you can also add other features as well. Let me add some features. Okay, for this what you need to do is set hidden, it is hidden 3D feature. Okay, and then run the code again, then you will see the difference. Okay, see, now it looks like actual Torus. Okay, you can also change the add the label here. Okay, for adding the label, let's go to the code file again. Set u label, let it be u. Set b label, let it be b. Set g label, let it be g. Okay, and save it. First of all, let me show you. There are no labels right now. Okay, axis label. Okay, but if you run this code, then now right now there are no labels, axis label names. Okay, but after running the code, if you press refresh, let it press. Okay, it is not working now. Okay, u label, let me What is mistake here? Set u level. You can also change it as x level, y level. Y need to use x and y need to use u and b, and then plot it again. Okay, now you have u level, b level, and z level. Okay, so you have this, you have this. You can also, if you don't want to have this axis here, then you can also remove. I just shown you how to remove this axis. You can also do it here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, just use unset border, unset. Okay, it is actually x level. Okay, x ticks, unset y ticks, also unset g ticks. 3D product, therefore we need to use 3 types of axes. And run the code again and refresh it. Now there are no axes, but you can see the labels. Okay, b, g. Okay, you can rotate it from to anywhere. So this was in this video. If you don't have watch our previous videos, you can click on this that I button and watch the previous videos. And thank you so much for watching. In next video I will be here with the using Gnuplot for the animation. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.